Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can do a Avatarify trend on TikTok. It's real easy, and the first what you need to do here, you need to download the app that is called Avatarify. So there is on Google Play Store and also on App Store. So download this app, then go on the app, and then you should see similar window to this. And here, if you press on camera, you can add more photos, but in this case I will not do this. I will do with the demo ones. So for example, I will select Mona Lisa, and then what you need to do here is choose a GIF. So as you can see here, there is a lot of cool ones, and you can do it with your face also. So for example, let's do WAP by Cardi B, Mona Lisa, right? And just select best quality, and then we need to wait for a few seconds until basically the app creates the video. So as you can see here, guys, the video is made. Cardi B, Mona Lisa basically is singing Cardi B song WAP. And then next step what you need to do here is to upload to press save button here, and then upload to TikTok. So go on TikTok, press plus sign the TikTok, you should appear in this window, then press upload, and then upload the video, right? Press next. As you can see here, Mona Lisa is basically singing WAP. And then press next. Press next again. You can describe your video and do whatever you want and just post it. And as you can see here, guys, the video is posted. So if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.